Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Google Meet on laptop or PC. So let's meet. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this particular Google Apps, and this is going to drop down. The next thing you want to do is to look for Google Meet, just like so. Right click on the Google Meet and make sure you click on open link in new tab, just like so. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to the new tab and you have it right here. Next thing you want to do here is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and then the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down and look for save and share. Then the next thing you want to do is to navigate to create shortcut. Click on that. Then this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on create, just like so. You have it successfully installed on your PC. Would you like to pin Google Meet in your taskbar? Simply click on yes, just like so. Then you can simply minimize your browser. Then by the time you come to your PC screen, you have Google Meet icon on your PC. For you to launch this, simply click on the icon and press enter key on your keyboard. In a few seconds, Google Meet is going to load up, then you can simply log in with your details. Just like what you see right here, you have it automatically connects you and link you to Google Meet workspace. Right here, you can simply click on new meeting right here or paste your link or enter your meeting code right here and connect to meeting, or better still, click on get started. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to successfully install Google Meet on your PC or laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.